Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a video of the FAMAS gun I made in Build-A-Boat. So this actually kills people in the game, of course. So look, there's this noob right here. I'm gonna kill him. Pew 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 pew. See, it actually works, and it's made by like just a cakes, and you make little arms and a FAMAS, and it looks like you're holding it. I'm gonna go kill this noob again. Pew 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 pew. I'm gonna kill this noob. So it cannot kill blocks, of course, but poo poo. I'm gonna put you. Ooh, kill that noob. So this is the map I made. It's supposed to be like Boulevard, and um, here's the little dumpster, and these are some metal blocks, and here's some boxes. Okay. And here's a road, and we're gonna go over here. In here, it's just a regular room. Didn't edit it yet. I'm gonna do it later. Today. Maybe. Okay. And you can place a million blocks over it, but then it breaks the gun. And we don't want that. So yeah. Now, I'm gonna be killing this noob. And yeah. Oh yes, and this noob says, like if you want me to show you how to make this gun to make it actually work and shoot. See, look, I'm gonna kill this noob again. Pew 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 pew. See? Okay. So, like, sub, if we get 25 subs, I'm gonna be making a tutorial on how to make FAMAS or other gun. By the way, in the comments below, name which gun you want, and whichever one gets more comments wins! And we're gonna make that gun. Okay, bye guys. And remember, sub, like, comment, and you get tutorial on how to make working shoot pew pew gun. Bye bye.